Go for it. Rotate your pouring spout to where you want it. The iron is so hot it'll actually send these little sparks up where it's actually burning in the air. So they're little incandescent sparks. So right now he's skimming all the dross off, which is all the old rust and dirt and junk that gets in the metal. And it's on iron, it's almost like tar. You see, it's very sticky and gooey. Aluminum, it's more powdery. But that's all the stuff that we don't want in the mold. We don't want that contaminating what we're pouring. So he's just scraping all that stuff off that floats on the surface of the metal. And as soon as he's happy with it and he's got a nice clean surface of, iron, he'll go ahead and pour it. This iron is from a cast iron radiator. The pieces are in that bucket right there, so that's what we were melting. You can see all the rust and stuff in there.
It's not helping that the bucket moves slightly when you hit on it.
Yeah, the fact that you see those sparks, that means that metal is very, very hot. I mean, even hot for iron. It's right at the upper range of your pouring temperature.
Is the lava kilowatt hotter or cooler than that?
It's probably a little bit hotter, but not much. That metal is probably 2,900 degrees. Lava, I think, is, someone's going to prove me wrong, but it's probably like 4,000 or 5,000 if I had to guess.
Well, it's still the same color.
Yeah, it's still the same color. Okay, here's the money shot, everybody.
Right.
It's very heavy, by the way. Back a little bit. There you go. Now he's going to watch the other hole for when the metal comes up. Then he'll know. Keep going. Keep going until the metal comes up. There you go. Now he's done. Now you can go ahead and pig the rest. Again, this is very heavy. There's another pig over here if you need it.
Okay.
Yeah, it does flow like water actually when it's hot enough. Okay, perfect. Well, it's to solidify probably 5 minutes or so. I mean, you can see already that the metal is shrinking. As it solidifies, it pulls that molten metal down in that riser and puts it as part of the casting. So we'll let it sit for a couple minutes and then we'll go ahead and shake it out. I don't want to shake it out when it's still any chance of molten metal. We'll pull it out when it's red, but not before. Should we do more iron or should we do aluminum? Does anybody have want to stick around? Yes. Aluminum. Okay, we'll do aluminum then. So yeah, go ahead and leave it out. Cool. Good job, by the way. It's fine, just keep it going steady. Keep going, keep going. Okay, stop.
Yeah.
There you go, done. Go ahead and pig the rest of it. Okay, that's it. Very good.
Pretty good math.
There was no math, it was all guesswork. Oh yeah, no, I don't think so. No.